Hello YouTube, this is Nick, and today I will talk about the March update for the Pixel device, mainly the Pixel 3, as I do not see any updates for the Pixel 2 or Pixel 1. So let's start talking about the camera. So in my experience, the camera has lagged a lot of times. So for an instance, I would want to take a picture as soon as possible, and it wouldn't work that way because as soon as I open the app, I'll press the camera button and I'll have to wait 3 to 4 seconds for it to take pictures. And in my opinion, that's very, very long. So I'm glad that this update is fixing that issue that I've been having and many others I've been having as well. Don't get me wrong, the camera is pretty good. It's just the responsiveness had issues with it. But hopefully this fixes this issue. So next let's talk about the performance. So they improved recovery in the instance of over-the-air update failure. So if your update fails by any chance, and so when you boot up, it might go to a boot loop, and you don't want that to happen because chances are you might need a new phone, or you might have to wait it out, and it's honestly a drag. So this should helpfully improve that issue to make it less possible, because boot loops are not fun. It has happened on my phones before. Right. So performance, improved storage performance on Pixel 3 devices. So this is just so when you have an app, it will take up too much cache. So when that happens, the user for the app storage builds up and it builds up more. So hopefully this improves on that issue that I have also been having where apps suddenly take up way too much storage from the phone. Now, don't get me wrong, I never used up all my storage on any phone before, and I don't think I ever will, but, this is there, This is an improvement that came out of nowhere that I guess will be beneficial for everyone else. Now, let's talk about the Bluetooth. I've had a Bluetooth issue with this phone before, so when it came to connecting to my car, there are times where it doesn't connect to my car, and because of that, I will have times where I would call, say, for example, my friend. I would call them, and it would, like, the audio from them would come from the speaker of my phone and not from the speaker of my car. Now, that is because the phone had Bluetooth issues where it wouldn't connect to my car. So that's just kind of awkward, talking to them. I just can't hear them. When you drive, it's pretty noisy sometimes, so it's kind of hard to hear from the speaker of the phone to conversate like hey, what are you doing? And then they will respond, and all of a sudden I can't hear them. So hopefully this improves this issue because I don't want to have to deal with that kind of issue again where I can't hear people who I'm calling with on my phone. All right. So next is the media. So improves playback on encrypted media on some video apps. So I'm guessing certain video apps don't support some of the videos that are in the Pixel device. So if you were to use a third-party app and certain videos don't play on the app, this is supposed to help improve it. So the codecs can help improve on more other video apps, I guess. So I can't go too much in depth on this as I've never had this issue before, and there isn't too much detail about it too. But it's there right there. So it's an issue that some people face, and it's been improved, I guess. So now let's go back to camera, and I'm gonna show you real quick on the improvement that how the startup and responsiveness of the camera has improved. So here we go, home page, camera app. There we go. Much faster. Now keep in mind that this is with the motion auto on. If I had it off, it will be way more responsive as well. Not that it isn't already, but it's already pretty good. Let's test it again. Close it up real quick. Alright, cool. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Much more responsive. Alright, we can try it again. Let's mess around real quick. Alright, 1, 2, 3. There we go. It is definitely more responsive. This is a huge update, in my opinion, when it comes to the camera. So, if you ever want to double tap your power button and then take a picture at a quick pace, you are now able to do it without any issues on the Pixel 3 devices. So thanks Google for fixing this issue, and hopefully that you still work on improving Bluetooth for the Pixel devices. And that should be all, YouTube. Thank you.